We will start this video in a second, but before we start I have some gifts for you, but I guess there is someone that will explain it way better than me.
It has been a very good idea to click this video of my friend, Success Animation, your #1 YouTuber when it comes to being successful with women. If there is one thing I would like to recommend you, then to click the link to be able to receive the newest ebooks, presentations, and articles via email, to learn everything you need to be successful with women.
Question. So in this video I am going to show you some questions that will literally make women hack their subconscious mind. These questions are all following a concept, which will let the subconscious mind of a woman create a deeper emotional connection with you. She will tell you about her feelings and interesting thoughts on her mind. So let's start. What is, in your opinion, a perfect day? Name 5 things you and your partner have to have in common. What thing in your life you are the most thankful for? If you could change something about the way you were raised, what you would change? Tell me your complete life story in 5 minutes, with as much details as possible. If you can choose one ability, which one it would be? If you would have the chance to see how your future would look like, you would like to know it. What you dreamed of for long, but never. Free presentation of my friend Bobby Rio. He is the man when it comes to this topic. Just check out what other people think about him. He will show you everything step by step. Just click the link in the description to see the full video.
Woo! This goes out to Bobby Rio.
Bobby Rio.
Bobby Rio.
Bobby Rio, my man.
I love Bobby Rio.
This is a shout out to Bobby Rio. It's Brett Favre.
Hey, it's Lenny. Nice to...
It's your boy here, Sean Lights Out Merriman.
Kenny Wallace, brother.
Bobby Rio.
The dating coach.
You're a great teacher and coach.
Thank you for the Scrambler.
Scrambler.
The Scrambler. The Scramblers. The Scrambler. Scrambler. Man, I don't know what you've done.
Because you guys, Bobby Rio and Rob Judge, you guys are a couple.
He will show you everything step by step. Just click the link in the description to see the full video.